everyone, welcome to the webinar on smart business solution called Olympia. So my name is Victoria Loskutova. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Olympia. Before starting this business, I had 15 years of experience in business development, media, PR, and event management. My co-founder, Obi, is a software engineer and seasoned entrepreneur for 30 years. And I'm happy to present Olympia to you today. So what you will learn on this webinar, I will tell you about Olympia and why it is a game changer for business owners and demonstrate its main features within these three particular use cases. How to do competitor analysis, how to create long form copy, how to build a landing page. So starting a business is an exhilarating journey. I had several businesses before, solo ventures, and I know that it comes with a fair share of challenges. You might be short on money and time, wearing multiple hats. Finding help can be super difficult, like searching for a needle in a haystack. Plus, dealing with people who don't keep their promises to deliver results on time is really hard. So today, I'm here to show you how Olympia AI can turn these challenges into opportunities for you. You've probably tried AI solutions before, only to find them too complicated to set up. You juggle 3, 4 different tools just to accomplish one task or project. And even then, the quality of the results might not have met your expectations. And I understand your frustration. And today, I want to show you how Olympia is different. So why Olympia is a game changer? For several reasons. First, for less than $70 a month, you get a whole AI team that can complete tasks in minutes. Imagine having one conversation window instead of dozens of open browser tabs. With a powerful long-term memory, our AI team remembers everything about you and your business, making it easier to pick up where you left off. And this is what we call efficiency. Each member is designed to boost your project and make your life easier in content creation, marketing, SEO, sales, communication, coding, legal matters, and more. Depending on your needs and budget, Olympia offers different pricing plans with varying team compositions. You can scan this QR code to read more about each AI team member. With Olympia, you can start projects from scratch with ease. Our AI assistants can perform real-time web searches and guide you through tasks using question mode. You can build a comfortable workflow, upload your files for the AI assistant to work on, use the AI assistant's memory to continue working seamlessly, and much more. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's see Olympia in action. So let's say I want to do competitor research for an Ayurvedic yoga studio. Let's ask Fila, our business strategist, to help. This is how the app interface looks like, by the way. So let's go to Fila. So I'm gonna ask her for help. Below her name, you can see what function she's calling at any moment. So here's a short plan for competitor research. Okay, what competitors? So these are some of the competitors in Barcelona and Spain offering Ayurveda and yoga services. So let's ask what what are the advantages of these services and what Ayurvedic yoga studio in Barcelona could offer. I like the considerations so far. They are based on what the competitors are offering. So now I will ask Sheila to connect me to Beatrice, our marketing specialist, to actually help us with marketing. Here she is. You can ask them to connect with other AI assistants of Olympia, and they refer you to one of them, or these arrows on top next to the assistant's name, you can click on them and switch to any other assistant you want help from in the same conversation. And also, our accounts on Olympia are multi-user. So if, let's say, your human team members are on Olympia, you can talk in one conversations with humans and with other AI assistants, and work in a form of brainstorming or collaboration or whatever, however you want to call it, to achieve a particular result. So in this case, business strategist is collaborating with a marketing specialist. So hi Bea. Okay, so Beatrice provided a detailed marketing plan on how to incorporate feelers consideration and make it real. Target audience, brand positioning, service enhancement, marketing channels, partnerships, promo strategies, customer engagement, and performance metrics. So I asked Beatrice to do these steps for me as if she would be a business owner. So she provided the steps, and then as a business owner, she wrote how she would approach it. So here we go. We have an actual plan on what to do next. So what I would do if I would have an Ayurvedic yoga studio is next we can go into the details of brand positioning, planning the first retreat, writing a social media plan, collaborating together with our social media specialist, Melissa, for example, find out what hotels we can partner with, and so on and so forth. So from this point, you have a plan and you can continue working and collaborating with other assistants to realize that plan. I'm not going to do it now because it's going to take tons of time to demonstrate all of it. But from this point, it's clear what I need to do and what is the direction and how can I enhance my business services. So what I'm going to ask is that she send this plan to my email. So I asked her to send this information to me via email. She generated an email for me, and now I have my email here. She's sending it to me as Beatrice, but when you are sending emails to someone else and you want it to be from your name, you can add it here. So, and it will even rewrite signature for you. You can edit an email as you please. For example, a real last name, and the content of the email, you can edit it, you can shorten it, etc. You can edit the subject. You can ask her to add someone in the copy. She will add someone in the copy for you. In this case, I want her to send as Beatrice to me my personal email. So when you're done with editing, and and by the way, you can easily connect your Gmail service to Olympia within seconds. When everything is done, you just hit send. Is it my email from Beatrice, and it's sent, and it goes directly to the email, and I'm gonna receive. So we checked how we actually can do competitor research and then use Olympia for that and for creating comprehensive marketing plan for enhancing your services according to what your competitors do. Of course, it can be more detailed. You can create the whole strategy with Beatrice, with Fila, business strategy, marketing strategy. You can make it more details. It takes more time. I'm not gonna dive into this today, but you got a hint how our assistants can collaborate, send emails, do real-time research, fetch links, and perform in the way that is necessary for particularly your. Next on, we are going to create a long form copy for our Ayurvedic brand. We don't have to leave this conversation, and we can try and do and collaborate with our copywriter in the same conversation and do the whole thing around our 3 use cases, particularly around one brand, Ayurvedic Yoga Studio. But you can also start a new conversation with copywriter separately. Let's see, and let's not leave this conversation. So I will ask Beatrice to refer me to our copywriter. Okay, now let's write a blog post. So now that Beatrice connected me with Leticia, the copywriter, I'm not gonna start and ask her to, write an article or make a plan. I will switch to our question mode. So instead of asking me questions on what I want to write an article about and how long and who is the target audience and etc., she will interview me on what I need to do. So here's the question mode button in the right corner, and it's gonna turn green. And here's our question mode on. So now she's asking questions instead of dumping all of that kind of paragraph on what I need to provide her. So what specific aspects of Ayurveda? Now that she's asking about specific keywords or phrases, we can switch to our SEO expert to ask for SEO keywords. For this, I need to go out of the question mode. I tap on this button for it to turn black again. And ask her to refer me to Anand. Here we go. SEO expert in the chat, and we can ask for specific keywords. So here are the keywords Anand provides for the article. We can ask what title would be good in terms of the. I like it. Okay, getting back to Leticia to actually write an article. So I asked her to create an outline for an article considering the title that Anand suggested, the SEO expert, and we have a plan for the blog post. Awesome. Another trick with Leticia, and one of the best benefits of Olympia as well, is that you can choose an LLM that you want to use to write an article with her. It's in the upper right corner here. So we have GPT-4, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, and several other LLMs. And all of them might differ. The style of writing might differ. So you can experiment with them and see what style you like more, or what you want to use more specifically for your brand. So in this case, I want to use Mixtral. It is more creative, and I'd like to check it out. There are other settings here as well for your information. So I chose Mixtral. I can close it now and tell her to proceed and generate an article. Okay, now I asked her for a summary of the information I gave her during the question mode, and now we can generate an article. Okay, so she considered all the SEO suggestions, the title, the word count, the target audience, and all the information I provided and Anand suggested, and rating. Here is our article. The article is generated in a document that you can edit, you can format, you can download to your computer as a Word document or a PDF. So here's our article on Ayurveda and its main principles with call to action for readers in the end. If you tap on it, you can edit it, you can make it shorter, you can how you want it, add links, add quotes, etc. If it's too long, you can cut it, you can format it and edit how you want it and download it to your computer by clicking on these three dots in Word or PDF, whatever you like. So this is our article ready. And now let's move on to our landing page. Great. Now I will ask Letitia to refer me to Mike for creating a landing page. Mike is here, so I will ask him to help me to create a landing page. He's searching Google Images and he will send me some examples of landing pages for holistic retreats. So Beatrice has an ability to generate images, so I asked Mike to connect me with her and to work on the actual image of our landing page. So here's Beatrice, and I will ask her to generate an image of a landing page similar to number 3 of exotic retreats provided by Mike, but for our brand in specific colors, and for that I will upload an image, our color palette, and hit send. Here is our image generator appeared. So while she's generating an image, she's actually adding the prompt by herself with the colors I sent her. And here is our very nicely done blue color, because I sent her blue colors, image of the landing page. How cool is this? Out. Very happy with it. Let's check it in detail. Look at this. Now, I'm gonna ask Mike to actually create a code for creating such a landing page. Mike is our pair programmer. So now that she referred me to Mike, I can close our image generator and ask Mike to create a code for this landing page. So he said, sure, let's create a simple HTML and CSS structure for the landing page design Beatrice sent me. And here's the code. So this is what I have for you today. Quite a few examples of our features in our AI team's capabilities. These are the features and capabilities of our Pro Plus Plan AI team. It has all the features, all the capabilities, and all of the assistance of Olympia. I've covered competitor research, long-form copy creation, and landing page creation for you, or a start of creating a landing page and creating a full marketing strategy. So the possibilities are endless. But here we are, collaborated with several assistants of Olympia in one conversation, working on one project at a time. We didn't switch any tabs. We didn't use several AI tools. We didn't need to pay several subscriptions, and tweak and turn and fuss around one interface, powerful features, long-term memory, multiple capabilities, which we will expand as we go. So I invite us to try Olympia out and drastically improve and efficiency. We are working endlessly on new features and capabilities for our AI teams. Now that you've seen what Olympia Assistants can do for you, we are developing new features and soon planning to deploy a full Google Suite access, an ability for our assistants to post on your social media for you, more integrations, and even an opportunity to use Olympia AI assistants as note takers on your sales calls. We've covered a lot today, and I'm sure you have questions. Scan this QR code to read the case studies of Olympia's users. If you want to discuss how Olympia can help specifically your business, feel free to connect with me via email at vika@olympia.chat. You can also schedule a demo call with me after scanning this QR code. I'm here to help you succeed. Before we wrap up, I have an exclusive offer for you. Normally, we don't have a free trial, but as a token of appreciation for your time today, I'm offering a 7-day free trial to you. Plus, with the code LOVE30, with love from us, you can get 30% off of the annual Pro Plus plan after a free trial. So visit tryolympia.com to take advantage of this offer and start experiencing the benefits of Olympia today. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy using Olympia and get shit done faster